table was looking at good governance concerning energy neighborhood community. So what do we need from the government in terms of policy? We said, first of all, we need clarity of goals from the policymakers at the different levels. So we know what is expected, when, and who is responsible for what, as much as that is known. This kind of clarity also needs to involve or be based on a number of basic analyses, such as an energy transition readiness. How ready are certain communities for energy transition? Maybe some of that data is available, maybe not. Maybe it could be outsourced that it becomes available. We need feasibility studies in a number of areas. Technical, social and financial feasibility studies. Perhaps they have already been done, they should be made available, perhaps they need to be done. This could be outsourced to the different communities to do it. And of course, these kind of basic studies we think should be financed from local or national policy makers. Then we think the best policy in the energy transition would be a policy that empowers what is already there, what is going on, and local initiatives. So not a policy that is directive, but a policy that is facilitating and supporting the initiatives, but within a clear framework where it's clear what the goals are, but also the roles and responsibility of the government and of local citizens' initiatives. Then the other part is the connection between the initiatives that are already going on within postal code areas, but also between different postal code areas. Here again, a facilitating role for policymakers, facilitating that those connections can be made, that data becomes available, that data is analyzed and ready available in a way that ordinary people understand, because we're not all techies, we're not all data analysts or specialists, but we need the data to be able to come up with initiatives that make sense and that are worth financing. Okay, and then the other point, this also links back to what Bob was saying. Certain individuals need to have paid roles and responsibilities, so they can either work full-time on these initiatives, or they are empowered, the status that Pauline was talking about. Certain people need to have status in this process, or people taking a role in this process should have some hours compensated, so they can actually put in more energy and more time into this process.